Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nichelle. Today I have a different type of video for you guys, which I'm a little excited. I've been trying to think of different videos that I can share with you guys. Another video that will be coming probably in the next week or two is going to be my sticker storage, showing you guys how I organize my stickers. I think I have everything the way I want it now, but for today I thought that maybe before the upcoming month comes I can show you the upcoming kits that I'm going to be using. So and I'm only going to be able to do that if I have like all the kits that I want to use for that particular month. So this is going to be for March, and so let's go ahead and get started. Now I'm not going to go like in grave detail, only because I've shown you guys these in my hauls, but I will just go through them because I'm going to have to go through them again when I get ready to do that video. But this kit is from GP Sticker Studio, and it was a November mystery kit. I was a part of her monthly subscription. So I'm just going to quickly go ahead and show you guys. Her paper is gorgeous. Beyond gorgeous. I love the backing of her kits. I love her aesthetic. It's so different from everybody else's, and I think that's why I love her so much, because I just love her style. So here are the full boxes, and then down here you have some bottom washi. You have part of your first functional page. I love these little sticky note boxes here. I love her icons. You have some headers, and then I think these are evenly the same width as these, so you can bring those in. She gives you 2 weekend banners, some bill dues, and then you have this. Now I believe this is only in her mystery kits, like this triple type box. I don't ever foresee myself using these unless I need to take up like a ton of space. And then you have some additional headers, or I think these are just the same size as the header. So you have another 2 sets of these that you can do. I love her scripts down here. And then you have the bottom washi strips. And then you have the half boxes, quarter boxes, and then some littles here at the bottom. And then you have her full ombre heart check boxes with some quarter boxes here at the bottom. And then you have some fun deco. She gives you 2 sets of date covers and then a set of date dots. So that is the first kit that I'll be using for going into March. And then the second kit, this is going to be the week that I use for St. Patrick's Day. This is from LexieKylee Designs. I was having a really hard time trying to find the perfect St. Patrick's Day kit. I don't really celebrate it, to be honest. I know there was a lot of, everybody was using that one clip art with the Lucky Charm or whatever it was called. And hers just kind of really spoke to me. I love the colors. I think she did it beautifully. It's just a touch of that theme, and that's what I loved about it. So I love this. It came out, it was gorgeous on computer, and it was even more gorgeous as it is now in person, and I absolutely love it. So here are the gorgeous full boxes. You do have some quarter boxes down here, and then some bigger strips of washi. Now I put this kit together myself. I didn't get the full kit. And then you have the functional page. I think this is considered her 2-page kit. So let me show you like this. So this is what her 2-page kit is. I love her icons. I think they're gorgeous. You get an extra box there. You get some scripts down here at the bottom. And then you have your other page here where you get not full, quarter, half boxes, rounded, squared off, habit trackers, bill due, some flags. I love that she uses pretty much all of her space on her paper. And then the fourth sheet I picked up was the bottom washi and washi strips. I love that she added the glitter headers in there. And then also this box here where you have additional half boxes, quarter boxes, some appointment labels, and then some fun washi here at the bottom. Let me see, because I think, yeah, these are different. Like, you could probably use these as headers. Oh, wow. Okay. So then I picked up the headers and little things, because you guys know I like to put these in my planner. So I picked up this. So this is the kit that I'm going to be using for the week of St. Patrick's Day. And then the next kit, it is from Planner Gems, and I honestly don't believe she is open anymore. I've been sitting on this kit maybe a year or 2 years, and so as I was going through my kits and stuff, I need to use basically what I have, number one, and so I thought this was perfect for March or even April. But this was called her Nature's Kit, and I believe this was the mini kit. I loved Planner Gems kits. They were so gorgeous. Here, the quarter boxes here, instead of her using glitter headers, hers were called glitter gems. So like crushed up, gems and things. So here's the first page. And then the second page, you have your headers, half boxes, and quarter boxes, all rounded. And then this was the functional page. I loved her little round icons. She has some fun deco, weekend banner, some flags, and then some check boxes here. And then the bottom washi, and then some littles, and then some washi strips. And then this second page, I think this was like an extra, where she gave us, so you get 2 habit trackers, the full ones and then the short ones, and then some fun deco over there. So that is the kit that I'll be using from Planner Gems. And then I have another kit. Let me focus. Thank you. I have another kit from GP Sticker Studio. I have a bunch of kits from her. So I really, like I said, I want to start using what I have and not just purchasing all new kits. This was her older format from last year. Again, I love the aesthetic of her, the way she does photos and then clip arts and puts them together. So this was the first page, and then you have your deco, not habit trackers, your 2 sets of date covers and date dots. I love the etching that she does, that she puts around her full heart check boxes. And then again, like I said, this is the older format, so you have your headers, or some sidebars, and then you have some littles. I love that these are plain, so you could just put another icon on there. And then you have the bottom washi, which can easily be made into full boxes. And then you have the bottom washi. And then you have the half boxes and quarter boxes. And then you have the rest of the headers, another set of headers, decorative headers rather. Then you have circle icons, you have your regular icons. I love her icons. I told her, please come out with a whole set of these. I love using these for like meal prepping. And then you have this sheet here where you have check boxes, the shorter ones, a habit tracker, bill dues. So yeah, this is a big kit. Like I said, she definitely condensed it and made it, I think, into 9 pages. So these are the kits, again, that I will be using for the month of March. And I hope you guys stay tuned and see how I plan with these, and I'm looking forward to it, and hopefully I could do this again throughout the year. So thank you guys again for joining me. If you're not a part of my channel, hit that subscribe button because I love to have you. And until next time, guys, I'll see you in my next video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!